friends, and welcome to Ready Up. Hello friends, and welcome to Ready Up. We are going to start today on day 1, lesson 1, and this is going to be the introductory part of lesson 1. As you guys know, you may have been given a table of contents with all of the lessons for lessons 1 through 3. At this point, I have already assessed your child in these 3 lessons, so I want to begin with the very top lesson, distinguishing short and long vowels. So this follows the standard that students will distinguish long and short vowels when reading regularly spelled one-syllable words. Here we go. When we blend consonants and vowels, we are reading words. The vowels A, E, I, O, and U can have different sounds. Today, we are going to read words with some short vowel sounds, such as A in tap, and long vowel sounds, such as A in tape. Here I have also given you a list of some short and long vowel sounds. Remember, friends, that short vowels are just that. They're very short sounds, such as A in apple, K-A in cat, elephant, N-et, net. It makes that sound. The I makes an I sound, as in igloo and pig, p-p-ig, pig. The short O sound makes an ah sound, such as octopus and dog, the ah in dog. The short U makes an sound, such as umbrella and sun. You hear the in sun. Remember, our long vowel sounds always say their name. So they say A, E, I, O, and U. They say A, such as acorn, A, as in cake, eagle, as in eagle. The E says its name. Here, those E and the A actually work together. The E in leaf. The long I says I in ice cream, and the long I says kite in kite. The long O says ocean, and the long O says soap in soap. And lastly, we have our long U sound, which says unicorn. Unicorn. Do you hear it say its name there? And then it also says its name in the word glue. I want you to point to and say each circled word. So on your sheet of this copy, I would like you to either circle or highlight these 2 words. The vowel E in the word Beth makes the sound. Beth has a short E sound. Say that sound with me. Now I want you to read the word. Beth. Great job. Next, let's point to the word see. That's the other word that is circled. We are going to read this word, and it has a long E sound. The word see has 2 E's. The letters E make the long E sound. E. Practice saying that sound with me. E. Now let's say the word. If you said see, you were correct. Let's practice with some other words. Let's look at this first word. Cat. You hear the a in cat? That's a short A sound. Let's look at the word gray. A. Here I hear the letter A. So I know this must be a long vowel sound. Look at the word it's. 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 Do you hear that short I in there? It must be a short I sound. Say the word bike out loud. Do you hear the long vowel sound I in bike? That means this must be a long vowel sound. Say the word got with me. Ready? Got. Ah, ah, ah. Is that a long or a short vowel sound? I'll pause for just 1 second while you think. If you said it was a short vowel sound, you were right. It's a short vowel sound because it says ah, ah. It doesn't say its name. Let's check this word out. Road. Let's chunk it out. R-O-D. Road. What vowel sound do you hear in this word? If you said O, you are correct. I hear the sound O. O is saying its name, so that must mean that it's a what type of vowel? That's right, a long vowel. Let's look at our last pair of words. The first one we have is hug. Talk with your learning guide and see if you can figure out if this is a short U sound or a long U sound. If you said a short U sound, you were correct. Let's look at the word cute. Cute. You. Now you try this with your learning guide and see if it is a long U sound or a short U sound. Great job, friends. If you said it was a long U sound, it said its name. Cute. Great work. Now, using the passage, I want you to find other words with the short E sound, the short I sound, the long A sound, and the long E sound. Here, I have color-coded these words. So you might want to go and get a red colored pencil, a yellow colored pencil, a blue colored pencil, and a green one, just as I had, and discuss these different vowel sounds with your learning guide. All of the words that are circled in red have the short E sound. B, F, Beth, W-N, when. Do you see how those are the short E sound? Now let's look at the short I sound. All of these I have circled in yellow. So we have it is in his, it in its, and it. Do you see how these all have that short I sound? Now let's look at the long A sound, as in name, name. Do you hear it saying its name? And then gave, gave. Do you hear that A sound in the word gave? That makes it a long A sound. And lastly, you should circle the long E sound. There's only 2 words here that have that long E sound, and those are the words e, she. You hear that E saying its name? And e. I know I hear the long E sound there. Great job today, friends. I would like you to come back tomorrow for lesson 2.